AI influencers are already making thousands of dollars a month, and the crazy part? They don't even exist. If you've been wanting to start an online side hustle, but you're too shy to be on camera, or you just don't have the time to film content all day, this is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a digital model that works 24/7, never complains, and can start earning immediately. And we are going to do it using one image, one laptop, and a system that costs $0 to start learning. First, look at this. TikTok and Instagram are being taken over by AI personalities. Why? Because it scales. Real influencers get tired, they age, they have bad days. AI models are flawless and can post from the beach in Bali 1 minute and a cafe in Paris the next, without you ever leaving your bedroom. Take Aitana Lopez, for example. She is a 25-year-old model from Barcelona with pink hair and over 300,000 followers. She makes up to $11,000 a month. But she was actually created by an agency called The Clueless because they were tired of dealing with real influencers who had egos or canceled shoots. Aitana never sleeps, she never complains, and her audience knows she is AI, but they don't care. They still engage, they still follow, and most importantly, they still pay for exclusive content on her Fanvue. So let's stop watching them make money and make your first one today. Pykaso walkthrough. The first step you have to take is creating your AI influencer using Pykaso AI. This tool is powerful because it allows you to create a custom AI character, train it on specific looks, and then generate unlimited content for it. Once your AI influencer is trained, you can generate photos in any scene you can imagine. Whether it's a big photo shoot, relaxing in a cafe, or working out at the gym, you can do it all here. And it gets better. When you get a generated shot that you like, you can use the upscale feature to make it ultra high quality. You can also use the face swap tool. For example, if you have a specific style in mind, like the famous AI model Aitana Lopez, you can actually swap your AI character's face onto reference images to replicate that exact vibe. It's not just limited to static images either. You can create short AI videos with this tool. Let's say you want a clip of your model walking on the beach or posing in a city. Pykaso generates this with a realistic vibe because it understands the 3D angles of your character. Basically, you can generate a library of hundreds of photos and videos in different locations without ever leaving your room or touching a camera. This is your content factory. Fanvue sign-up and monetization. Now, if you already have your AI avatar and your content, it is time to monetize. This is where Fanvue comes in. Fanvue is the platform that allows you to actually get paid for this content. Unlike other platforms, Fanvue specifically supports AI creators. If you look at the Discover page, you see creators like Aitana Lopez. She is making a massive amount of money every month, and she doesn't even exist. She is 100% AI. So let's set this up for you. Click on the Become a Creator button and hit Start Earning. As you can see right here, the average creator earns between $3,000 and $10,000 per month. That is the potential we are looking at. You'll select your country, and then, this is important, select that you are an AI creator. Next, choose your display name. Let's call this one Sophia. Then you set your subscription price. You have full control here. You can set it as low as $3 or as high as $100. For this example, I'm going to set it to $10 per month, which is a great starting point. Once you verify your ID, your profile is live. Now you need to upload the AI images and videos you created in Pykaso to populate your feed so your new subscribers have content to view. The marketing strategy. Now, how do we actually make money? Like any business, visibility is key. You need to take that content and start posting teasers on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and X, formerly Twitter. The strategy is simple. You drive people from those social platforms directly to your Fanvue page. And here is the secret to doing it right. Use trending songs. TikTok is incredible for discovery. When you hop on a trending song with your AI character, the algorithm pushes your content to thousands of new people. Crucial step. Every time you post, make sure you tag your Fanvue page and keep the link in your bio. You don't need 1 million followers to make money here. You just need to funnel the viewers you do have to your subscription page. You should also look to collaborate with other AI creators to cross-promote and grow faster. The beauty of this system is that it is repeatable and scalable. You don't need technical coding knowledge. You can spend just a few hours on a Sunday creating a week's worth of videos in Pykaso, schedule them out on social media, and let the system run on autopilot while you're at your day job or sleeping. It's literally a business in a box. I've only scratched the surface here. If you're serious about this, want the full free course that shows you step-by-step how to start and earn with your own AI influencer? Click the link in my bio or pinned comment. Sign up free today at the Fanvue AI Creator Academy.